That's the damage here. Snapping trees right in half. And that's a huge tree. Crazy.
Holy cow.
So they cut that one out.
Look at that room. Smokes, dude.
That's insane.
Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome. Yes, sir. Hey, what's going on, guys? We are in Lake Charles, Louisiana, helping with Hurricane Laura. As you guys know, 3 years ago, went down and did some stuff for Harvey for a few days, and it's just super rewarding, super nice. Everybody is in high spirits, as tough as it is to be with what is going on. I mean, this hurricane was devastating. A lot of downed trees, a lot of damaged houses, damaged properties. Let me turn this camera around and show you this tree. That tree is probably 10 foot tall, easily, with the root system right there. But it's just That's the wide angle camera, and it doesn't even capture, like, there you go. It's just, man. And that's not the only one. That's not a rare thing. Fences are obviously just torched. Power lines, look, I mean, I'm looking at a power line. So, super devastating. Met a lot of cool people though. A lot of guys from out of state, Michigan, Pennsylvania, Oklahoma, guys from Texas, of course, people from Louisiana, people from all over. So everybody's in good spirits that are helping, and the locals are also very thankful for everything. But like, here's a good snapshot of the kind of stuff we're looking at. Like, the sunset's beautiful, but you can just tell, look at the shingles everywhere, trees down, power lines down. Like, there's no power here. Everybody's running off generators, stuck underneath there. But I'm gonna go help these guys out, quit talking on this camera. Nice.
I see a burnout. Yeah, boy.
There you go. Awesome.
Nice.
Just idling. Hey guys, we made it back from Louisiana. We had, it sounds weird to say, a great time, but it was great helping everyone. Like I said in the video, it was great meeting everyone. I just kind of wanted to end it on a brief note and let you guys know that if you're interested in volunteering, interested in donating, you can hit up the Cajun Navy. That's who we contacted on the way down. That's who I helped out with Harvey. They have a lot of stuff you can help with. If you're not able to go to Louisiana, they have a way you can help by dispatching, a way you can help by social media, just stuff you can do from behind the computer at your own house. There were people in New York helping with dispatching volunteers. Lots of stuff that you guys can do. It's not always physical labor, doesn't always require a bunch of tools. Just show up, be there. Guys cooking on the grill, serving food, volunteers organizing all the donations, just so much different things you can do. So huge props to Cajun Navy, they're the real deal. I'll leave a link in the description below for their Facebook page where you can go and check them out. Donate if you want. Sorry, my voice is a little shot after this weekend working on the chainsaws and everything and yelling over the top of them. But it was, like I said, another wonderful experience helping out. The destruction there is insane. I've heard reports that people aren't going to have power for 30 to 60 days. And the most of the work that we were doing while we were there was clearing the roads and clearing the front of people's houses so that they could get back. Because they all left town for when the hurricane hit, and now they're coming back trying to see and assess the damages to their home, file insurance claims, save any belongings that they have left in there if their house was damaged to the extent of where weather could affect it some more. So that was our main goal. It wasn't like Harvey where there was a bunch of water and you needed a boat. Just a lot of cutting up trees, physical labor, moving stuff. Joey went with me. Very appreciative of him for doing that. It made the trip a lot better going with someone that you know. That was it, man. Pretty amazing scenes out there. Pretty sad scenes out there. There were multiple mobile homes that were completely flipped upside down, squished. You saw the picture where there was a big, ginormous tree covering the road, and then just off to the left of that was a mobile home that probably got launched, 100 feet from the pad it was on and just flipped upside down and everything just squished. Just terrible to see those things. So yes, keep your thoughts and prayers to the families in Louisiana and the volunteers. You know, my family will be doing that. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching this one. And we'll be back to regular scheduled truck car videos very, very soon. Thanks again, guys. Take it easy. Peace.